Imagine spending over $1 billion on a state-of-the-art bridge, only for it to collapse before a single vehicle crosses it. This isn't science fiction. This is the story of the FIU pedestrian bridge in Miami. And yes, one bolt was all it took. Florida International University wanted to connect its campus with a nearby neighborhood. The idea? A pedestrian bridge, unlike any other. Innovative design. Fast construction. It would showcase modern engineering and safety. But innovation came with shortcuts. The bridge used accelerated bridge construction, promising to build faster with minimal disruption. But key structural elements, particularly diagonal members, were under immense stress from day one. Inspectors noted cracks. Emails raised concerns. Yet no action was taken. And on the dreadful day of March 15, 2018, the bridge, still under construction, suddenly falls on the midday traffic flowing underneath. In under 5 seconds, 6 people are dead, dozens injured, and the $1.2 billion showcase becomes a... Investigations revealed what many feared. A single bolt, designed to tighten critical members, cracked. The structure had failed from the moment it was placed. Designers, contractors, and state officials all pointed fingers, but families were left with silence. The affected families fought cases in court and argued that the agencies failed to detect key design errors by the original engineers. By the year 2022, all the claims against the engineering firms involved in the bridge construction were settled. The settlements amounted to a total of $103 million. This wasn't just a one-off disaster. Across the U.S. and other countries, the infrastructure is aging. Decisions made for speed and budget often ignore long-term safety. If one bridge can fall due to a single bolt, how many others are at risk? If you thought this story was wild, wait until you hear the next one. Hit subscribe and like for more untold stories in cars, infrastructure, and forgotten mergers. Drop a comment on what you want to see more. Thanks for watching Deep Drive.